How's it going, everyone? We are back again for another matchup here in NHL 25. Season is potentially on the line here. Every other series is taken care of. It's just us and Texas remaining. Winner goes to the West Final. Losers season is over. It's kind of crazy if you think about it that we had such a good regular season, and now, depending on how this matchup goes, all this could end here, or we could keep things moving along. Gonna do everything to make sure we keep things moving along. All right. Not happy about how the last game went. We had 2 overtimes. So we'll feed this in. All right. Let's go here. Oh, we just nailed someone in front. Didn't even get a shot on goal. Okay, Jost has got this. Oh my gosh. Look at that early goal. I'm not going to get too excited, but we got to keep our foot on the gas this entire game. I want to win by 10. This is a go-to goal that wasn't working too well for us in the last game, but yeah, just right around that red paint there. Take a wrist shot. Goes right in. Jost has got a lot of goals there, at least in the regular season. I can't remember if we had a shot on goal beforehand, but is that the first shot on goal for the day? It was 1 shot on goal, 1 goal. All right. Gotta feed this in. Oh, keep it. I had the one-timer there. Okay, we're gonna press a bit.
And he takes the dish. And it's a quick pass to Scandella.
Get the puck.
And that's a great read to force the turnover. And now he moves it quickly to Wagner.
Okay, Wagner's got this one. Same shot.
Oh, and it stays out. He got a piece of that one. Slides it diagonally to Lynn. Texas has it against the half wall. Look out.
Oh, crap. That was close.
That's an incredible save, James. I mean, he's got presence in his crease.
It's a really risky shot that we let him have right there.
Plenty of playing time left in this frame. The Wolves have taken a 1-0 lead.
Oh, no.
There's so many moving parts in the game of hockey, which is why it's one of the most difficult sports in the world. And he gets.
Okay, we're going to get it out of this zone. Oh, man, we actually just got hit hard. Grab the puck. Now we got it out. We just skated right into them.
Slides it quickly to Strongest. Texas brings the puck in from center. Chicago's got the puck in the defensive end. Here's a chance.
Oh, I thought we were going to get another goal.
Picked up along the wall by McKenzie.
Okay.
Into the offensive end now.
Let's feed this one in.
Puck across. Here he is.
Oh, come on. Give me a break.
The Wolves gain control of the puck against the wall. Tiptoes across the blue line.
Oh, it was wide open. It was wide open. I don't know how that didn't go in.
Scoops up the puck now. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Strongest. Slides the puck over. The lane was plugged up and that shot's
Here we go.
got an on-man rush. Makes the save. How did that stay out?
We're getting some good chances in this game. We'll feed it in.
And the goalie covers up for the whistle.
We got a lot of shots on goals in the last game, too.
Past the midway mark of the frame. Chicago's ahead 1-0.
Let's try and get another goal here in the first.
The Wolves will start off on the attack after winning the draw. Moves the puck along the half wall. Grabbed along
Okay,
the
we'll take this.
puck lost. And that goes off a player in front.
Hit someone.
Time hit along the
Let's keep it in the zone.
I'm glad I'm on the listen, Sheriff.
Oh, wide. Come on.
With you, James. I wouldn't want to be along those boards either. Almost looked like he left his feet early, but nonetheless.
We have all sorts of pressure here. Somehow we kept it in the zone. Where's our help? Oh, I didn't see where the puck went. We're not shooting accurate as of right now. It's part of the problem. Feel like we should have a couple of goals by this point.
Great stretch passes and connects.
Oh, there we go. Finally. Another goal, and that one was a rebound. That one was a good one. So yeah, fed it in. The goalie fell over, and we were right there with Wagner. Take advantage. So we got our comfort there. 2-goal lead.
The Wolves double their lead to 2-0 now as they look to head into the intermission.
Oh yeah, and they'll need to keep their foot on the gas pedal when they come out for the second, James, because man, did
Here we
they
go.
have an effective start in the first, putting a ton of shots on net.
Feed it in.
Chicago's got it along the wall. Here's a shot. Wow, what a stop by Hilbert. The Stars have it now. Feeds the puck to Lynn. Big hit, and that frees up possession.
Don't just sit in front of the puck. Steal it.
Quick snap. Big time save and goal as he gets all of it with the stick.
What a fantastic
Okay.
save from a high-danger scoring area, James.
Right at the tail end of the period.
They have to do a better job of protecting the middle of the ice.
Off the wall and right to the stick. Nice play. Big time stop there. Quick feed to Wagner.
Oh, we were going for the one-timer. Why'd they play that?
Man, James, he shows incredible quickness right there as he makes one and then the second save.
Take it along the wall.
Okay, all sorts of pressure. We were on goal with that one. Would have got a third.
That shot off, he gets it off fast and quick. He just misses wide.
Busy offensive period for us.
Well, that brings it into
Really busy.
number one. Still lots more action to go. Both teams will recharge and be back with more.
So 2 goals. I think we had, 12 shots on goal? Yeah, 12 shots on goal. Keep our foot on the gas.
The middle stanza is about to go. The officials ready to drop the puck.
I do not want our season ending
And here we go.
right here, so we got to play like we have nothing else to play for.
Through the first 20 minutes.
Hellberg's been so dialed in right from puck drop, and really the only
Oh, I didn't even see that guy right there.
under seas. Yes, they're trailing, but they still have an opportunity to get back in this game because of him.
Still has possession. Shot. Oh, what a stop.
Kill it, kill it.
Harris hangs on for the whistle. He hasn't been very busy. Is this just
Another risky shot we allowed.
Wants to make sure that they're controlling the pace of the play of the game. Listen, they have the lead. They want to protect it, and that's a good way to do it.
The Wolves win it in the defense.
Okay, won the face-off. Do a bounce pass. Oh, we missed it.
Icing is the call. We'll get a face-up.
Just trying to do a bounce pass. They had it pretty well defended there.
The Wolves continue to lead here in the second period as they have been the busier team in the shot department, and it shows. Orcs won the face-off.
Lost that face-off.
The pressure's on the defensive side of the puck, but they win.
Okay, they're pressing us a bit.
Right away with the
Let's move this up.
playing against.
Across the line and on the attack. Shot. Shuts him down.
Okay.
Morrow's got the puck.
Oh, wide.
Puts it just wide.
Can't be shooting wide.
Right in his wheelhouse. He only had a small margin.
Here we go.
Wasn't able to hit.
Here's a chance.
They've got numbers. Sends it to the middle.
Oh, man. Missed the pass.
Can't get the shot off. And he coughs it up with the pass.
The Islanders have been picking off passes left, right, and center. You know the coach is going to like this, but it has to transition to offense because this game's awfully close.
Here we go.
Coming to the slot. Great reach with the poke check by Kopobianco.
Somehow we still have the puck.
Texas
Oh,
has possession
there
right
they
now.
took it.
Quick pass to Lynn. Oh, I thought he was going to be beaten, and he somehow got a piece of that.
Okay, let's move this
I
up.
like to say, James, because he challenges the
We got a
shooter
2-on-1 again,
slot area.
but we're not going to be fast enough. All right. Hey, you know what? There's the third. Slavin got it. Thought we were going to get a 2-on-1 chance and didn't get it, so I just backed up and yeah, just perfect placement there. Gotta keep going.
Chicago's putting on an offensive clinic. Now up 3-0.
How many shots on goal do we have? So 15-6.
Can't find the back of the net. Well, different story tonight. They're executing on their chances.
Here we go. Back in. Oh, we just hit the net there.
Here's a blast from the boards. Shuts it down. What a stop. Slides it up ahead from the right wing. Oh, and some
Okay, hit him, and that didn't work.
too much traffic in front blocks that one. Right up the gut into the attacking zone. Great pressure with the stick. There's a save using his chest on the play.
Not even halfway through the second as of now.
The Wolves have been on fire offensively tonight, and they lead for good reason here in the second. Chicago's got the puck inside
Okay.
the offensive zone. Puck grab by Seeley. And that's blocked from someone.
Oh, I thought we had it. Here.
Scooped up along the wall by Wagner. Takes a shot.
Oh, come on, get the rebound there.
By Helberg.
Let's open up a one-timer, and that's not who I was passing to.
Fans are loving this right now. Oh, huge hit against the wall, and you know
Oh, I was trying to keep it in the zone and just get a little bit of a breakaway there.
All your team get involved physically, pay the price, use your body, and get the puck.
the Wolves continue to lead in the second. They have been the busier team in the shot department, and as a result, they lead. And now it's grabbed by Wagner.
Okay, Wagner's got this. We're going to have to feed this in. They were all over me.
Puck scooped up by Jost. Unleashes a cannon! And that shot gets caught in traffic. The Wolves get a hold of the puck along the boards. They try to maintain possession.
Oh,
inside the
wrong
defensive zone.
person.
And there's the whistle icing the call.
It's their second icing, I think.
Past the halfway mark of this period, 3-0 is where we sit. One team really enjoying this night, the other not so much. Knocks the puck.
Okay, we still keep it.
Carries it across the line.
We got to feed this in. You guys are tired.
Got it in the offensive zone. Too much congestion blocks the shot. And he slides it quickly to Lynn. And now it's over to Pedersen.
Steal.
And that's picked off.
Guys are tired.
Boards. Knocked off
Skating slow. Oh, no.
has possession of the puck. Score!
What was our guy doing? Did you not see that?
How things have
Just skating over to the right side. Could have got right in front of that one.
You can have, James. You go from a situation where you think you're
Telling-
out of it, and now
See, right there. See, he's just skating over to the right side. He could have went up and hit him. It's just an example of how the AI sometimes is just not smart. Because that could have been an easy hit to put that one away. So we still have a 2-goal lead, but it's very frustrating.
Goal deficit is certainly better than a 3-goal deficit. shot's coming from the middle of the ice, and it has some heat on it, but he's ready and waiting for it. He's
Okay, let's
positioned to
take
make
this.
the save.
Nope, we didn't keep the puck.
To Lynn.
Okay, now we actually get a hit there.
Painful. Stillman's moving the puck through his own zone.
Keep the puck with Stillman for now.
Drives to the sweet spot, and that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled.
Keep this in the zone.
And that one's turned away. Texas gains control of the puck.
Beat it over.
Work to kick it away.
Oh,
Picked up
steal the
along
puck.
Gust. Franco's
Take
trying to
it.
hit the boards. Works it across to Kyrou. The Stars move the
In the
puck
last
to
little bit of the
zone.
period.
And now he moves it to Blumel. Under a minute to
I don't know how he almost kept that.
And he takes the feed. Feeds it on over to Slavin. And that's broken up in the defensive zone by Petrovich. And a great save.
No one-timer.
The puck.
Get the shot off. Ah, dang. All right, we got a hit at least.
Played now 40 minutes in this one, and still a critical 20 minutes still needs to be played.
Okay, so 2-goal lead.
Final snack because the third period is just around the corner.
One more period. This could either be the last period of this season,
Teams are lined up.
and we're going to move to NHL 26, or we're going to keep our championship hopes alive.
And they have dropped the puck here on the final frame.
Just keep the gas or throttle down.
Texas is behind in this third period, James, but it's a close game, so I expect a full court press. Everyone punching towards the puck, everyone pushing north and trying to attack. They need to score. They gotta get.
Oh, man.
Now.
Thought I'd get a rebound there.
Hang on as we get a whistle.
22 shots on goal.
From puck drop, and he has been
Just kind of throwing everything at the net.
Hold on to that puck. Now they can hit the reset button.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. The Wolves are up 3-1. Along the half wall with the puck.
Oh, get back.
Keep the puck in the zone. They'll be forced to tag up. Trying to gain separation. What a save on the play.
It's a timely save.
We'll play this. We had a little bit of room to work with.
He's so composed, he's patient, and just steers the puck aside.
Every minute we spend wasting time
Morrow's
is
taking it from his
good.
own end.
Don't want to give them any time to score.
Puck picked up by Bourque. Now
Come on.
pass to Gust. The Wolves scoop it up along the boards. Moves it
Ooh, we
across
just
to
got
Suzuki.
nailed right there.
Takes the shot. Stopped by the goaltender, getting a piece of that one.
Where's our help?
Gudler's playing it along the line.
Wide on the one-timer.
Nice feed from the right wing. Takes a spill onto the ice and loses the puck. Here's a pass to the middle. And that goes off
Grab
the
it.
body in a ride. Takes a whack but still hangs on.
Oh, no. That was close. Way too close.
Loses his balance on the play. Taken by Suzuki.
Get this out.
Here's a short pass to Stillman.
Well, at least we're wasting a lot of time,
The Wolves will play it
but that was not very pretty.
Ryan's got
Beat it in. We got to establish the zone here.
Circles back to center ice.
All right, let's move this back and just feed it over. They're pressing us big time.
Grabbed along the boards by Ryan.
Oh, that was not where we needed to give up the puck.
Parrots defends his crease and doesn't give up anything on that.
Here we go.
Here they come on the attack.
Good chance. Ooh, we have a one-timer. We do.
And, he slides
And that's not who I was passing to.
And that's intercepted by McKenzie. Quick feed to Kepovienko.
Parrots has been really effective tonight, really doing
Oh, no.
his part between the crease.
Got full pressure now.
But his team is executing in
You're kidding me.
He needed that.
They certainly did. Now they're within one. They're within striking distance of the equalizer here, James. They're playing on their toes. It's about staying there and keeping the foot to the pedal. Well, he's known for his incredible shot and his quick release, and this one from distance, James. But what I love about it is that he finds the lane.
Do we need to cut our goalie?
It's not deflected. It finds its way through the traffic to the back of the net.
Can't believe that went through. I'm not happy about that. Okay, well, we're still in the lead. That's why I said we got to keep our foot on the gas. Just keep the lead, have them pull the goalie, and then we can get an empty net goal and move on to the next series. They're pressing us big time. Okay, Nadeau's got the puck. Oh, that was not a good one. Can't let him establish his zone like this.
Chicago's got a hold of it along the wall. Exploring options here inside the defensive zone.
Okay, let's move this up. We'll move it over.
Along the side, here they come through the neutral zone.
Our guys are tired.
Breaking up the play. That's a solid hit. Quick pass to Bork. And now he tries to get it across to Capobianco.
Oh, shoot. Oh, my gosh. That should have probably gone in.
No quarter given here as they battle for the loose puck along the boards. Chicago's got it in their own zone.
It's not going to be an icing. Get the steal. Perfect. We'll move this back. We're just wasting a bunch of clock right now is all we're effectively doing. Smith's got it now. Let's feed it over. If we find a good shot, we'll take it. Not, no worries.
Lemieux's been a welcome addition back into this lineup, James. I mean, he's been out with injury, but as he gets...
Okay, we almost have a minute left.
Gets a great shot on net.
Scooped up along the wall by Gundler. And serves up a little knock on the play. Under a minute to go in the third.
Feed it over. Get the puck.
Gain possession along the boards. Takes a shot.
And there we go. That one should put it away. Suzuki did it for us. Clutch moment. We didn't even need them to pull the goalie, which they probably will if they win the faceoff. Good timing. I'll take it. Unless something catastrophic happens in this last little bit, we will be moving on to the next round. Not who I wanted. Yep, they pulled their goalie right there. And a penalty.
Whistle blows, stopping the play. The Wolves have been handed 2 for interference.
Well, talk about bad timing. This is why we wanted our 2-goal lead. All right, so it's going to be a 6-on-4. 24 seconds left. Oh no. You just got to feed it around the backboards here. There we go. Empty net goal. Shorthanded goal. And that's going to make the game look like it was a lot bigger gap than what it was. It got really close towards the end. Yeah, nothing to that goal. But the question that we asked at the start of the game, is our season going to end? Not today. So we have guaranteed 3 more games here. Yep, that's not what I wanted to do. Mess up the timing. Oh, and they hit the post. They're just throwing everything at the net, but it's too late. There we go, yeah. So we're going to move to the conference finals. Then if we're able to clinch the next series, then we are moving to the championship. So yeah, shake the hands of the opposing team. It's a good series. This one had me at the edge of my seat. Very, very, very stressful, especially after last game. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. No idea who we're going up against. I think it may be Bakersfield, but we will see next time.